That was for North Carolina.
The following is a special weather statement for the following counties in South Carolina, coastal Georgetown and inland Georgetown.
You can shut up about the special weather statement.
For central Georgetown County until 4:30
I played it
p.m.
before, but like, holy
At
crap.
3:44 p.m., Doppler radar
I'm checking
was
the
tracking a group of
ILM,
strong thunderstorms
checking the
near
IEMBot.
Sanford, or 11 miles west of Georgetown, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Frequent lightning, pea-sized hail, and winds in excess of 30 miles per hour will be possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Georgetown, the Bourview Colony, Wallis Island, North Santee, Lambert, Sanford, Graves, Oatland, and Georgetown Memorial Hospital. Thunderstorms compose a variety of threats including gusty winds, small hail,
I can hear it thundering
lightning,
outside.
and localized flooding. It is recommended that you remain indoors until the storm passes.
This is what happens
Frequent
with
cloud-to-ground
thunderstorm
lightning is occurring with this storm.
This is the one I
Lightning can
just
strike
opened the
10
camera
miles
for
away
this.
from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. The following is a special weather statement for the following counties in North Carolina, Columbus, and inland Brunswick. Special weather statement for southwestern Pender, northeastern Brunswick, and eastern Columbus counties until 4:45 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Delco, or 13 miles west of Leland, moving northeast at 15 to 20 miles per hour. Winds in excess of 40 miles per hour will be possible with this storm, along with frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Locations impacted include Northwest, Beta Aurora, Freeman, the Borough, Phoenix, Delco, Regalwood, and Sandy Creek.
Severe thunderstorm warning
Frequent
in
cloud-to-ground lightning is
Charleston.
occurring with this storm.
What the
Seek
heck?
safe shelter until the storm passes. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
the
for
one
northwestern New Hanover County
the
in
one I
southeastern
just
North
pulled up
Carolina,
my camera
southwestern
on.
Pender County in southeastern North Carolina, northeastern Brunswick County in southeastern North Carolina, east central
go check
Columbus
the
County
weather
in
radar.
southeastern North Carolina until 4:45 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Delco, or 11 miles west of Leland, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines.
That was freaking crazy.
Locations impacted
That thing just set off and then just like,
Northwest,
it
Beta
just
Aurora,
started.
Freeman, Phoenix,
The
Delco,
finish once I
Regalwood,
just started to
Long
pull
Creek,
up the camera,
Belleville,
so.
Novassa, and Sandy Creek.
Holy
For your
crap.
protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And now taking a look at the forecast for the Grand Strand and surrounding area. Issued at 3:15 p.m. Tonight, mostly cloudy.
Can you please
Showers and
update your
thunderstorms
thing for
likely,
1
mainly
hour?
this evening. Lows in the upper 70s.
KEC95.
South winds 10 to 15 miles
ILM,
per hour.
Ligma, why are
Chance
we
of rain
doing this?
70%.
Ligma.
Thursday,
Okay,
mostly
Ligma,
cloudy
wait.
with a chance of
Okay,
showers and
National Weather
thunderstorms.
Service, Ligma.
Humid with highs in the upper 80s. Southwest winds around 5 miles per hour, becoming south 10 to 15 miles per hour in the afternoon.
Okay, NWS, Ligma.
Chance of rain 50%. Heat index values up to 101. Thursday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of
This
showers and
afternoon supposed to be high as
thunderstorms.
109 for heat index
Humid with
stuff.
lows in the upper 70s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour.
I'm recording.
Chance of rain 50%.
Dang,
Friday,
this
mostly
radar.
cloudy with a chance of showers and
That
thunderstorms.
is bad.
Highs in the upper 80s. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, becoming south in the afternoon.
We're like clearly in the red area.
Mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and
That is
thunderstorms.
crazy.
Lows in the mid-70s.
Okay.
Southwest winds 5 to 10
Expect
miles per hour.
a SVR
Chance of rain
probably.
50%. Saturday through Monday night, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 80s. Lows in the mid-70s. Chance of rain 40%. Tuesday through Wednesday, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and...
Okay, hold on a minute. See if I can see if ILM issued a trying to see if ILM issued a SVR already for Andrews. It is freaking storming. That's Charleston. I was gonna pack both Charleston and Dorchester. Dang it. Charleston's where it's... Okay, IEMBot. See if, not yet. That was crazy. Just pull that thing up. I didn't notice it was going off. I knew I expected it. I didn't even expect it for it to go off. I must need to stay away from this picture that I'm drawing right now. I was in progress of it. Is this me doing art? I'm gonna go check what's going on in this severe weather thingy. Just pulled up my camera. I just heard it going off and I was running to go dashing to go get my tablet. Ugh. Can it load, please? Can it load, please? There we go. Alright, so the one... What the heck? What warnings? I see a shit ton of marine warnings, but like... Oh. No, I do not want to see that ad. There's a huge line of thunderstorms going from here to here. From here to here, and I was like, oh my god. Georgetown. Special weather statement. Deborah colony? Oh my, Deborah, really? Marine weather statement. Ooh. Oh, Collington and Beaufort got an SVR now? Dang. And Hampton and Jasper County. Jeez. Flood advisory too. That's a lot of that's a ton of warnings. Huge ass warnings. Severe thunderstorms in Columbus, New Hanover, and Brunswick and Pender. That was screwed up. I just jumped when I saw that. I was like, oh god. Is that an SVA on the... Hold on a minute. That orange area. Special weather statement. Alright, that's a special weather statement. I ought to see any freaking sign of like severe thunderstorm warnings. I'm just gonna be putting that thing on the camera. I don't care. I ain't care.
Chance of rain 30%.
Apparently there's nothing.
The following is a special weather statement for the following counties in South Carolina,
You can
coastal
shut
Georgetown,
up.
and inland Georgetown.
You can shut up about coastal and
Special
inland
weather
Georgetown.
statement for central Georgetown County until 4:30 p.m. At 3:44 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a group of strong thunderstorms near
It's
Sanford,
ought to
or 11
expire
miles
soon,
west of
because that's
Georgetown,
10 minutes
moving
before
northeast at
from
15
now.
miles per hour. Frequent lightning, pea-size hail, and winds in excess of 30 miles per hour will be possible
Blah,
with
blah,
these
blah.
storms.
Shut up.
Locations impacted include Georgetown, Newport View Colony, Pawleys Island, North Santee, Lambert, Sanford, Graves, Oatland, and Georgetown
How is
Memorial
not listed
Hospital.
Andrews in there? That's crazy.
Thunderstorms can pose a variety of threats including gusty winds, small hail, cloud-to-ground lightning, and localized flooding. It is recommended that you remain indoors until the storm passes. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. Seek a safe shelter inside a building or vehicle. The following is a special weather statement for the following counties in North Carolina, Columbus, and inland Brunswick.
I know.
Special weather statement for southwestern Pender, northeastern Brunswick, and eastern Columbus counties until 4:45
Yeah, to see an
p.m.
SVR sooner or later
At 3:59
for.
p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over Delco, or 13 miles west of Leland, moving north.